guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your fast body app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. So when you click on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on statistics settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, you come here to waist hip ratio, click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone, that's mean here waist hip ratio disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.